Just get comfortable. If you need to stand up and stretch, get your blood flowing a little bit. We've been sitting for a while. This is the time. Get comfortable. As you get deeper into your chair and feel more comfortable, just try to take a nice big exhale and push everything out. Nice deep inhale into your diaphragm through your nostrils, bringing in the light of Hashem and the presence of Hashem all around you, filling you up completely. And push out any blockages, anything holding you back, any distractions. Every breath, try to feel more and more relaxed and sink in. Let this light come down from your head, down to your heart, all the way down to your legs. Hashem is with you. He always has been. Same God that created the world before the world even existed, thought about creating you and having a relationship with you. You just took time out of your day to learn more about Him, to connect more to the source. Sometimes in life, we don't feel the love. But we can all remember a time where we felt love. No matter when it happened, when you were a little child or not so long ago. Try to arouse that feeling of love that you had, to remember it, to bring it back into your heart, no matter what it came from. What was it like? What does it make you feel like? Only the good about it. That love, that closeness, that embrace. You should have that all of the time with Hashem. And it'd be so much more powerful if we just stay loyal and we hold on. Push through against all of the voices inside or outside that are telling me that I can't do it, that Hashem's not there, that He doesn't love me. No matter what I see in front of me, no matter what I feel in my heart, I know that I have a connection with Hashem and it's eternal and I'm not going anywhere. I'm not moving from my love of Hashem, from my loyalty to Hashem. Projects that I want to accomplish in life, I'm going to push forward and do them, knowing that Hashem is behind me, pushing me. He's the power in me. Anytime I fall, anytime I have an obstacle, a closed door, I'm gonna know this is just an opportunity for me to show my loyalty, and to show my drive, how much I want it, to not give up on what Hashem has sent me to do. Whenever I get startled from this world, this finite world, I remember that I'm made up of a light that's infinite. I'm rooted in a place that's infinite. I have nothing to be scared of. Nothing could ruin my destiny or what I was made to be. That is a person that pushes and does and fights and doesn't give up. Not from a place of ego, from a place of being on a mission to reveal the light of the Creator against all the noise and distraction of this world. Test after test. Light of Moshe Rabbeinu, who never gave up, who always taught the people of Am Yisrael and the whole entire world what emunah is, what belief in Hashem is, what loyalty to Hashem is. In Egypt, in the desert, not being allowed to come inside the land of Israel. Not understanding why bad people get good things and good people have bad things. Any question that you could have on Hashem, to persevere and to push through and to know that there's an inner truth. Small tefillah to Hashem, that this light stays with us, that we acquire it truly, becomes our nature, to push forward and to do His will, to not get stopped, to not make mockery out of anything holy, out of any person. Fear of Hashem and a connection to Hashem. To fight to do the right thing in the world, to reveal Hashem more. And this light stays with us, to never give up, to always persevere. We want to send this light to anybody that needs it, all of our family, all of our friends in our community, our people, specifically to the soldiers and the captives that need this light to persevere and to keep fighting and to be dominant against all of the oppressors and enemies. You can stay in this as long as you want, and if you're ready, just take a nice big exhale, push everything out, come back to your breathing.